Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting in an open Google Docs file. Select the text you want to change first. Click and drag or press Ctrl+A to grab everything. Once done, look to the toolbar at the top. Make sure the font drop-down is visible. If not, expand the toolbar by clicking the three dots. You're preparing the selection because font changes apply to highlighted content. This avoids accidental formatting elsewhere. Now that your text is ready and the toolbar is accessible, move to choosing a new font style. Open the font drop-down and scan the list. Pick a style that fits your document's tone. If you don't see the font you need, choose More Fonts to add it. Once added, it appears in the drop-down. After selecting, change size, apply bold or italic, and tweak color from the text color icon. For finer control, use Format Text to alter capitalization or letter spacing. Once set, apply the Format Painter to copy styling quickly. This keeps headings and body text consistent across the doc. To finish, save your choices. Update a style and use styles option save as my default style so future docs match. If you made a mistake, press Ctrl+Z or choose Clear Formatting from the toolbar to revert to plain text, then reapply the font. If a font doesn't display correctly, make sure it's enabled in More Fonts and reload the page. Clearing the browser cache or trying an incognito window often fixes sync issues. One key tip: re-add the font if it still won't render.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.